Morning, dear children. I hope you all are hale and hearty. Today I am going to teach you equivalent fraction. Now, what are equivalent fraction? So, if you see this figure, in this figure, if I take this much, so I will write the fraction 1 by 2. Here, what numerator is the shaded part and the denominator is the number of part into one whole is divided. Clear? So 2 is denominator. But if I make like this, if I make more parts in this, then I take this much part, that means the shaded part. So what is the fraction? Now 2 parts are shaded out of 4. But if I do like this, more parts I make, then now I take the similar portion. So it will become 4 upon 8. But if you see these figures carefully, you will find out the value is same. The part which I have taken is same, but the fraction is changing every time. Now tell me, if I say the 1 by 2 equals to 2 by 4 equals to 4 by 8, तो how are they changing? 1 को 2 बनाने के लिए आपने क्या किया? You multiplied by 2. और 2 को 4 बनाने के लिए क्या किया? Multiplied by 2. So here what I did, I multiplied 1 and 2 by 2. Now you observe these two. तो 2 को 4 बनाने के लिए क्या किया आपने? Multiplied by 2. And 4 को 8 बनाने के लिए क्या किया? Multiplied by 2. So if you see this equation carefully, you will find out if you multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number, you get equivalent fraction. Here also, if you multiply and the numerator and denominator with the same number, you get equivalent fraction. Clear? Now, if I do vice versa means क्या? उल्टा करें. 4 by 8 equals to 2 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. And then we see the pattern. We will find out that if you divide by 2, both numerator and denominator, you will get 2 by 4. Now same way, if you divide both numerator and denominator with 2, you will get 1 by 2. So what does it mean? It means if you divide both numerator and denominator with the same number, you get equivalent fraction. So what is the definition of equivalent fraction? When we divide or multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number, we get equivalent fraction. The value of equivalent fraction is always same. That is why we write equals to sign in between. If you see these examples, 1 by 5, I multiply both numerator and denominator with 3, I get 3 by 15. But equals to sign is there, that means they both are same. The value is same. Here 6 by 9, if I divide both numerator and denominator with 3, I will get 2 by 3. So equals to sign says that their value is same. Clear? Here fraction changes but the value remains the same. Can you tell me how many equivalent fraction a number can have? First see, if I have 1 by 5, so I can multiply with 2, I can multiply with 10, I can multiply with 999. So we have infinite numbers. When we have infinite numbers, then we can multiply with infinite numbers. So a fraction can have infinite equivalent fractions. Clear? If question is saying find first 3 equivalent fraction of 1 by 5. Okay. So क्या करेंगे? 1 by 5 का first equivalent fraction के लिए you will multiply with 2. Okay. And for second equivalent fraction के लिए you will multiply with 3. For third, you will multiply with 4. For fourth, you will multiply with 5. So this way, you can take out as many equivalent fraction as you can. Okay? As you know that you have infinite equivalent fraction, तो first आप 2 से multiply करके निकाल सकते हैं, second 3 से multiply करके. Okay? Understood? Now you may get these kind of questions also. 1 by 9 equals to 81 and here you have blank. Now this kind of question if they are asking, so 9 को 81 बनाने के लिए what you do? You multiply with 9. 9 9s are 81 and here I have equals to sign, that means they are equivalent fraction. When they are equivalent fraction, you will multiply numerator also with same number से multiply होगा, तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 9. Now if I have this question, ये fraction को यहाँ पे हमारा आया 10, तो here I have to fill the blank. तो 90 को किससे डिवाइड करेंगे कि 10 आ जाए? क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे छोटा नंबर है, दैट मीन्स यू आर डिवाइडिंग. तो आपने 90 को 9 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो यू विल गेट 10. हियर ऑल्सो देन यू विल हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 9. सो 9 9s are 81. So when you divide or multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number, you get equivalent fraction. Now if you have to check the equivalency, that means what? आपको चेक करना है कि एक्चुअली आपका ये फ्रैक्शन इक्विवेलेंट है कि नहीं. Now if I have 1/5 and 2/10, तो what will I do? 1/5 and 2/10 को you will cross multiply. When you cross multiply means cross में करते हैं जो multiplication. 10 1s are 10, here product is 10. 5 2s are 10. So both the products are equal, so they are equivalent. क्यों? क्योंकि आपके products जो हैं वो क्या हैं? Equal हैं. But if I have 2/7 and 8/9, clear? तो क्या करेंगे? Then again you will cross multiply and check for the product. 9 2s are 18. 7 8s are 56. So are these products are equal? No, these products are not equal. When the product of cross multiplication is not equal, the fractions are not equivalent. So I hope this equivalency is clear to you and you can do some based upon equivalent fraction. So bye bye, happy learning.